for protecting the doorway, allowing nothing unholy to enter. 3 minutes. What's going on with Pisces? Work, career. What's going on with Pisces? This is general, so it's not for every single Pisces. It's not going to resonate with every Pisces. Ooh, what did you try to flip? They try to flip this one. Ooh, you got the 9 of Pentacles, Pisces. That's awesome. Are there any, what's the challenge? Help, hinder? You're doing good here, Pisces. So you're building your savings here, Pisces. Whatever loss you had, I can't even pick it up. You're recouping here. Building your savings back up. What are you aware of? What's in Pisces' conscience? What are you aware of, Pisces? In regards to, again, this is in regards to work and career. Good for you, Pisces. You're building on your own. You're rebuilding. There could have been some sort of loss in your savings. But like I said, they're showing that you're rebuilding that. What is Pisces aware of? I could just take the card, but I like when they take it out. Look, you got the you got the 9 of Pentacles again. You got the 2 of Wands, and you have the Hermit here reverse. Okay, so you may have felt like an outcast at work here, Pisces. So there was a point of time here. Yeah, look, there was a point where there was some instability here with this 9 of Pentacles reverse. It's sort of like needing to put more effort. Maybe wanting some sort of easy money here. And, you know, a spirit, you got to work for it. Could have been some bad planning here. Over analyzing. That caused a sort of blockage here, but you're recovering, so. Anything else for Pisces? I think your 3 minutes are up.